Hi everyone, today I'll be trading binary options, and I will do it for real money. No trick. As you can see, my account is verified without any demo sign. So today I'll be showing you how to trade on binary options. There are some good advices waiting for you at the end of the video. If you are a beginner in binary options, they can be very useful. Now there is a promotion. The platform rewards you with a bonus for renewing the money. This means that even if you are not going to do trades in the nearest time, you should register your account using the link in the description and you will receive a great bonus even if you will renew after a year. Never be a victim of your hopes, as winning all the time is impossible. You will lose some of your stakes and there's nothing you can do about it. I do my bids according to Martingale's system. Using it, I have been making money for many months and I'm sure that it will help you too. In this video, I'm going to show you how I earn my stable income. I assure you that you will start to make money right away after this video. My main principle of trading binary options is always staying cold-blooded. Trading and gambling are different things. A bet is something you don't need to rush with. I think that everyone should try himself a binary options. It can be even a demo account, doesn't matter. Who knows? Maybe you have a trading talent and simply don't know about it. Binary options trading is not hard work, and losing this opportunity would be unwise. After a loss, you must increase the rate following 2.5 times. For example, if I put $100 and won, then again I put $100, but if you lost, my next bet will be the $250. If I lost again, then $625, and so on. But when I win, I'll return all previously losing money and begin to put $100 back. This strategy shows how to earn money online. Remember, if you lose a bet, the next bet should be 2.5 times bigger, exactly 2.5 times bigger. This is necessary for me to be able to recover the costs of previous bets in only one win. I can lose 5 to 6 times in a row, but I will win the 7th time and will return all the lost costs. And I will even earn a little money. The maximum series of losses I had was 7 times, and still in the 8th time I won and earned back the money. I'm giving you a chance to try my binary option strategies and start earning a steady income in a few days. If to look at the stats, only 30% of traders earn big money in binary options. You must agree that the possibility is not small. I see no reason why you should not use it. Think about quitting your job, spending more time with family and friends, or traveling somewhere. The links are waiting for you in the description. Among them, there is a link for registration and receiving a bonus. Click now and you can receive a $100 bonus on your account. You will receive your bonus right after registration and a first deposit. There are also links which can help you to find me at social networks.